you don't have enough bucks to buy premium models like Grok-4 or Claude-4 Sonnet or maybe Claude-4 Opus and ChatGPT premium models, as well as the image generation models like Midjourney, DALL-E 3 or ideogram like models for free, you want to use them for free but you don't have bugs. So in this video I'm going to show you two websites where you can access these premium models for completely free. You just need to stay calm till the end of the video, because the second website is much powerful and has more AI models for text and image generation. So without wasting further time, let's get started. So before starting the video, I would like to introduce my channel. Here's my channel, CodeCraft. If you don't have subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel. I'll be bringing such videos and amazing tricks. So the first website I'll be showing here is LMARENA AI. You have to navigate to this website on your browser, and this is the first website where you can access the premium models like Grok-4 or Claude AI models for completely free. And the first thing here is, if you give any command here, like I'll just write any random Python code, it will start generating with two anonymous AI, any random assistant A and assistant B. This will generate a Python code for me. So okay, now how to use the models like Grok-4 or ChatGPT models. So here you have to click on this battle, and here you can compare two models as well. Like I just click on the side by side and it just open a new tab, and here you can like choose two models. I will choose the Claude Opus 4 and maybe the Gemini 2.5 Pro. You can also choose the Grok-4 model as well. So just here I will give any simple prompt like write a command line code that asks user for their birthday. Now this will start generating the response using these two models, Claude Opus 4 and the Grok-4. You can then compare these two responses, and you can also give the feedback as well. Okay, now here you can see the Opus model has completed the response, as well as the Grok-4 model. You can also give the feedback as well here, like which one is better, left or right. You can give the feedback. Now if you don't want the comparison of two models, you can also select the direct chat, where you can select any model and chat with it. Like maybe I'll select Claude 3.7 this time, and I can give a prompt, write a dot program. This will start generating the response. Now this way you can use these models for completely free. This site is updating with the latest model. You can check out the latest model as well. And the next thing this website has, it also the web search and the image generation models as well. You have to click on this and then continue. Now you can select the any two side-by-side image generation model here, you can see, or you can also select direct chat with any one image generation model. So here I will select, as an example, maybe I should select this Imagen 4 Ultra and the DALL-E 3 model. Now here I have to give a prompt. I have here some ready prompt from ChatGPT. Just copying the prompt and paste it here. This will start generating the images and can then compare the result as well. This will take a little bit time depending on your internet connection. So the DALL-E 3 and the Imagen model. Here you can see the Imagen for Ultra model generated the response, and also the DALL-E 3 generated the image as well. You can compare these two images and then you can give the feedback. Okay, so that's how you can use these text or code AI model as well as the image generation models. Here you can also select the leaderboard and look at different image generation model that are on the top of leaderboard. So this was the first website where you can access different premium models for completely free. Now the second website is Yupp AI. I've already created a video on this website, complete comprehensive video, where I have showed how to sign up or log in, maybe how to earn credits and how to use this website actually. But I will give a short overview of this website. First time when you sign up on this website, you will be credited with 5,000 credits, and here I have increased some credits as well, 5,100. How to increase these credits? To increase these credits, you just need to give feedbacks on the different AI models, like I have showed in the video, or I have already made a video on this. I will give the link in the description. As an example, first of all, I'll just choose a random prompt, and then here is the technique. If you choose private, you will be credited more, like double of public. You have to choose a public, it's half of private. Okay, then as I send the prompt, it will select two models based on the preference, and then you have to give the feedback for the increment of credit as well. It selected the Kimiki 2 model as well as the DeepSeek model, and the response has finished. Now you have to give the feedback. If you don't give the feedback, the credits will be gone in waste. If you want to earn credits, just give the feedback, the reason of why this model is good, why this model is not good, and then scratch the code. I just earned 215 credits. Okay, now I will start another chat and show you the model, expensive model like Grok-4. You have to search for the Grok-4, and then you can also select another model, or by default it will also select. If you don't select the model, it will select automatically. I will select the Claude Office for model. Then you have to give any random prompt, like I'll give write a random JS code. It should start generating the response, and here you can see the Claude Opus model starts generating, and it generated enough code. And also you can see the Grok-4 model as well. It has generated a simple program. Now you can prepare whatever you want, whatever model you like. I will prepare this Claude Opus model, giving any random results, and then scratching the code. The code will give any random credits to you. Okay, that's how you can use the models, and you have to always give the feedback to survive with the credits. Okay, the next thing is how to access or use the image generation model. For image generation model, you can select the enable image generation. Here, click on this icon, and then you can select different image generation model. Here is much. more image generation model than the first website, as you can see. Also Mid-Journey, like Mid-Journey AI generation model is not available, but it was available. Maybe that I will search one more time. Maybe I'll remove the Mid-Journey model from this image generation models. Okay, that it's fine completely. You can select other model like ideogram v3, perfect for image generation, or you can select the DALL-E 3 HD model, and then giving the random prompt, any random prompt here. I will choose the model again, DALL-E 3, and maybe the ideogram AI version 3, and it will use 450 credits. Okay, if you select model manually, then it's the credit usage is a bit more. If you prefer on the system automatic selection, then the credits will be less. Okay, so as you can see, the ideogram has generated the image. As you can see, the quality and the image. You can also download the image as well if you want. Also, the DALL-E 3 had generated their own image as well. I'll prefer this ideogram image, giving the feedback, and here it says you want 10 Yupp credit. This is how you can survive the credits and giving feedback. Use premium models for completely free. I hope you have enjoyed the video. If you do, please do subscribe to my channel, like and comment. I'll bring such more techniques to my channel if you stay tuned.